No, just Velo price prediction. We did the Velodrome price prediction, now we're at the Velo price prediction. They're different coins. So, I've warned you about the dip. 3 days ago in the video I said we're gonna dip and we're gonna be dipping for at least 2 more days. We had a third day with today. Normally mornings, if you have a dip during the weekend, it continues throughout the morning. We had a massive dip on Ethereum, like 10% for the day. Now it's at 5. Solana was at over 10, maybe 15 at one point. So the question is, what is going to happen now? So, for the first time in a while, we have VWAP curving up, money flow curving up, just like we had here. But that's not nearly enough, but it's enough to have a smaller trade. The real trade comes up when you have VWAP curving up, like actually curving up. This is the point where you can have a real, honest, good trade. And we're up a lot, especially from meme coins. If you check right here, 274 grand on meme coins. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm trading with a little bit lower size now after I got hacked. Yeah, we're building. We're buying some stuff in the Signals chat. And Velodrome, to buy it, I want to see a few things. The first thing I want to see is VWAP curving up on better time frames. For example, right now on the 6th hour, we're definitely going down. And you can see that right here, for example, we had money flow, this green thing right here. Let me zoom it in. Green thing curving where? Down, right here. And right here we had VWAP, this gray thing curving down. What happens when both curve down? You have a dump. That's it. You also have a small curve down here on money flow. So technically this could have been the beginning of your short. It would have took you a few days, but you would have made 5%. And if you wait a little bit longer, 14%. So now what I want to say is, on the 6th hour, we want to see money flow, MFI plus VWAP curve up, and then we long. So this will be on the H6, on the 6 hour time frame, and I will update you guys. I'm gonna make these videos daily, so just hit the subscribe button. We'll make an update on that. Keep in mind that this is no financial advice. I have some bonuses for you. If you go in the link in the description down below, I have links for Deep TradeX AI. They have insane things going on right now. 100 grand USDT price pool. It's an early bird benefit, and not only that, they also have a bunch of other stuff. Basically, an AI strategy generator, skill tokenization, Slack trading, research use. They have great strategies, 298 active strategies. The ROI is insane. Over 8 grand active traders are trusting them. Definitely think it's worth checking out. I'll have the links in the description down below. Do check them out. Live with all my heart. See you next video.